Hi, Mimi. Oh, look at that. She's coming up on Liza. Aww. Can you hold the video? Look, she loves her cousin Liza. Oh, there she goes. Aw, baby. That's my cousin Buddies. Oh. Oh, I know what you're doing. You're trying to get to Danielle. For some reason, we haven't discovered why, but Mimi's not the biggest fan of Danielle. We're trying to warm her up to Danielle, but it's not really. Oh, yeah. Mimi, you're gonna be a good girl? You're gonna be a good buddy? Danielle, are you okay to be, are you comfortable?
No.
What happened to you? The buddy pooped on me! The buddy! Maybe I thought we were friends! I don't want the buddy! Oh, shit. Hey. Oh my god, I can't look. Annie, I'm gonna barf. I'm gonna barf. Can you please help me? Hey, it was really warm. You guys are real good friends. She loves you. I need to wash. Good job, Mimi. Where are you? Thanks a lot, Mimi. I thought we were cousins, dude.
She was really good.
I'm taking these pants off right now.
I have stuff to put on it.
Oh my god, look, she's trying to get up to me.
Oh my god! She brought up the table!
Mimi, that was fucked up when you pooped on me.
Yeah, let me put stuff on it.
And see,
This concludes this video.